This video is a review of Honda's FY 2025 first quarter financial results, the period April 2024 to June 2024. Honda Motor is a Japanese multinational conglomerate primarily known for manufacturing automobiles, motorcycles, and power equipment. Honda is recognized for its innovation and engineering in the automotive industry, particularly in areas like fuel efficiency, hybrid technology, and safety features. FY 2025 first quarter income statement. Consolidated net profit for FY 2025. 1SR quarter increased 8.7% year-on-year to 394.6 billion yen, with progress toward the full-year plan of 1 trillion yen reaching 39.5%. Although the forecast for FY 2025 total net profit decreased from FY 2024, almost 40% of the annual target was achieved in the first quarter. It is a good start for FY 2025. Financial summary. For the fiscal year ending March 2025, auto sales units for China were revised downward by 220,000 units. In motorcycle business operations, global sales volume increased, mainly in India and Brazil. Automobile business operations were robust as well. In addition to strong sales of hybrid models, the positive effect of pricing commensurate with improvement in product value led to increased profits in each of these business areas compared to the same period last year. As a result, operating profit for the entire company was 484.7 billion yen, the highest ever for a quarter. The operating profit margin was 9.0%. Operating profit, operating margin, and net profit remain unchanged from previous forecasts. Main market. Regarding the status of major markets, in automobile business operations, hybrid models are performing well, leading to increased unit sales in Japan and the United States. On the other hand, in China, the impact of new energy vehicle market expansion and intensified price competition led to a decrease. Sales in the overall market were lower than the same period in FY 2024. In motorcycle business operations, although the sales volume in Thailand declined due to an economic slowdown, overall, sales exceeded the same period in FY 2024 due to a steady increase in demand in India and Brazil. Change in profit. First quarter results compared to the same period last year. Operating profit increased by 90.2 billion yen compared to the same period last year and totaled 484.7 billion yen. Regarding sales impacts, although there was an increase in profit due to an increase in unit sales, an increase in incentives led to a negative impact of 28.4 billion yen. Regarding selling price and cost impacts, due to the effect of setting prices commensurate with the improvement of product value, a positive impact of 159.8 billion yen was realized. Expenses negatively impacted profit by 61.5 billion yen. Research and development expenses had a negative impact of 27 billion yen. The positive impact of exchange rates resulted in an increase of 47.5 billion yen. Regarding profit before income taxes, due to a decrease in sales volume in China, there was a decrease in equity method profit, however. Due to an increase in operating profit for the quarter increased by 44.5 enhancement of corporate governance. In the Japanese stock market, there has been a movement underway to review cross-shareholdings. Honda will unwind cross-shareholdings to eliminate collusion with other companies and is aiming to further enhance discipline in corporate management. In July of this year, Honda conducted an offering worth approximately 500 billion yen for Honda shares held by non-life insurance companies and banks. Through this sale, Honda expanded our shareholder base and have been able to gain the support of a broad range of medium to long-term investors. Honda will continue to take the initiative to dissolve cross-shareholdings and will continue efforts to further strengthen corporate governance. Dividends and status of acquisition of companies' own shares. The outlook for the annual dividend for FY 2025 is 68 yen per share. This has not changed since the previous announcement. A share buyback was announced at the timing of financial results on May 10th. The progress status of this share repurchase as of July 31st is as follows. Total number of shares acquired is 12.36 million. The total acquisition price was 20 billion yen. Stock price. This is the Japanese yen-based chart for the last 1 year. As of August 9th, 2024, the stock price is 1,420 yen, and the US dollar stock price is $29.49 per share as of August 9th, 2024. Current PBR is 0.51 and PER is 6.8. Dividend yield is 4.79%. Compared to the last few years' PBR, PER, and dividend yield, stock price became much more reasonable recently. And compared to other large Japanese companies, Honda's current dividend yield is much higher. Conclusion. In the long term, concerns for the Japanese automobile industry are the possible appreciation of the yen and the shift to electric vehicles from combustion engine vehicles. However, Honda's FY 2025 first quarter was much better than the forecast. And regarding dividend yield, Toyota's dividend is about 3%, but Honda's dividend yield is 4.70%, which is much higher. Honda is one of the good high-yield dividend stocks,